All right. Hello, folks. This is a 2018 Chevy Equinox. It's the same as a lot of other Chevys in here with different years, but basically what we're going to do is we're going to change the rear brake pads and rotors on this, and this has the electronic parking brake, all right, which is that little funny button right over there. So in order to get into that mode, you need a scanner. Forget about all that bullshit or bull crap with everybody doing it manually, disconnecting the motor. Forget that. That's all butcher work. You have to get a scanner, whether you have to go buy one or you have to go rent one. Right here, we got this Innova one from Autozone. All right. It's pretty good. Looks nice, pretty handy, pretty simple. And it's about $350. All right. Listen, you're going to use it. If this is your car, you're going to use it for other cars. We're all becoming electronic sooner or later. But in order for this to work, not only do you just plug it into your OBD2 connector, the car has to be in the second mode with the lights on, with the motor not running. Okay, it's like the second accessory if it's a key. But this is a button one. So with this button one, if you push it once, you only get that. And you push it again, it's going to be off. So there is no second key. To get to the second part of it, you just hold this button for about 5 to 7 seconds. All right, watch this. Without stepping on the brakes, people. Were you counting? I wasn't counting, but okay. I counted. 7 seconds. There you go. See how it is? That's the mode that you want to get into without the car running. All right. OBD2 connector is already plugged in. Innova. This is my buddy Joey. Hey, Joey.
Hey, how are you?
This is his car. All right. So we're going to show you right here how to get into that mode. So let's see if I can hold this without getting too blurry, Joey. Maybe over here. All right. Just point it towards you so you can see it. All right. So we go into the main menu. I'm going to hit service reset. Hit enter. Now we're going to check all the way down almost to the bottom. It says electronic parking brake reset. Hit enter. It's going to say chassis, yes, because that's where we're going into. Hit enter. And it tells you electronic brake control module, yes, hit enter. And we're going to go right here where it says rear brake caliper piston retract. And hit enter. Now watch this. I want you to listen because it's going to be, you might be able to hear it. We're going to hit retract. Listen very carefully. You can actually hear a motor spinning like it's pulling back, besides the bell ringing in the key. Okay? Now it's all done. You go, you do your brakes, which is in our other video today with this snowy weather. And then when you come back, we're going to go into the same thing. Okay, let's go. Exit out of there, Joey. Exit again. And now we're going to go to the other one that says extend. Okay, he's going to hit enter. And right before we hit extend, hang on a second, Joey. I'm going to put this camera in the back so we can kind of hear that hum. So these folks that were watching us were here. Hang on a second. I'm going to point it towards the back seat. Ready? Go. Okay? That's what it is. Sounds like a little humming noise. And it's extended. And it's good to go. Right? This is the proper way to do it. The right way to do it. Don't do that. Don't disconnect the plug. Don't disconnect the motor off the caliper. Don't turn it, that little hex screw in the back and turn it. Listen, you could do all that stuff. Listen, do it the right way, and you know that your wife, your husband, your kids are going to be home safe. All right? That's it. But, yeah, get the scanner. It's a beautiful thing. It's a good thing to have. All right, folks? Say bye, Joey.
Bye, everybody.
Ciao. All right, folks. So now we got the brakes done, the caliper done. We already extended the piston. Okay, you know what we have to do next? We have to do the left and right park actuator. We have to actuate these pistons so that the ECM would see that we have them together. All right, because we disconnected them when we retracted them. So now the ECM needs to see them. So same menu, EPB reset menu. Go down to the left park brake actuator, we'll do this one side, and you do the same for the right. Okay, once it comes up, it's going to tell you left park actuator. You're going to hit on right there, and you're going to do that to both sides. All right, and you do both sides, then now the park and brake would see each other, and then it will work. All right, so make sure you have to actuate them to make it sure that the actuators are going to talk to the park and brake module. Okay, do the left and the right, and off you go. Time for road test. Ciao. All right, so right here, we're going to touch a little switch here. It says park and brake release. Going to pull the handle up, and now it's set. Step on the brakes, push the button down. There you go, released. All right, there you go, working condition.